Look what we have here, guys. Look at who it is. Shelly, stop. You still there?
Cause that hoe ain't gonna do shit though. She could stare at me all she wants. She ain't gonna run up.
I don't know who Shelly thinks she is today. But we have Shelly and the Biddy. And we're about to go get some gas or try to find gas. So we got in the Biddy. Shelly's here. Shelly, say hi. They've been asking about you. They want to know where the hell your ass was at. So where you been at, Shelly?
I've been here. I don't think I should have worked with her.
Why? Because it's hot. Anyway, so Shelly and I are preparing for Hurricane Irma. We're gonna try to find some gas, some snacks, and all that, batteries, a raft, a life jacket, some, you know, because the way things went around in Houston, I'm really trying to avoid that. Like, I don't want to be floating, hanging onto a tree for dear life. So we're gonna go ahead and head over to a gas station because I'm 44 miles to eat. Anyway, so yeah, we'll I'm a chauffeur. And your coochie out, girl.
No, it's not.
Oh, look, wait 1 minute.
And you are my
Shit, I want to show y'all. Look at this. 273. Look at this. Can't get gas here. I'm gonna have to try another gas station. What other gas station? You wanna try 7-Eleven?
You can try
Hold on, wait 1 minute. The next gas station we're trying to get to is 7-Eleven, and it's already packed. I can tell from here that it's packed, man. I don't think we're gonna find gas anywhere. I should have put gas early this week. This is what I get for waiting. I need to start putting gas every Sunday or something. Filling up every Sunday. I always put like $10, you know, $5, $3, you know. Now we're gonna be driving around Miami trying to look for gas. I want y'all to see this. Do you see this?
It's crazy out here, man.
It's crazy out here, man. Oh my God, where are we going? Do you see this? I don't know, no. What other gas station I know? The one on. So this gas station is out of gas. As you can see, no one's here. We're gonna try to go to 7-Eleven, which is adjacent to it. And if 7-Eleven doesn't have gas, then we're gonna have to go back home. This is crazy. So we just got to Walmart and the parking lot is freaking crazy. I still didn't find any gas. And what else, Shelly? We still didn't find any gas. What else?
No water.
No water.
Well, we do have water anyway.
We're about to find me a life jacket. Let's see what kind of, we can't even use frozen dinners. I mean frozen food. What are we gonna do?
I want to see if they have any more cans.
This is what you get for coming late. Right, Shelly? This is what you get for coming late.
That's what you do. I got myself.
So what are we gonna do?
You thought you was
Get the peach? I don't even know what this is. The fruit and veggies on the go. Is this for children? I don't know what this is. I don't even like that. Wow. Let's go back that way. I don't know what we're gonna do with this.
That's for babies.
Hamburger help? You can't
even cook a hamburger. It's too late. We're gonna starve.
What are we gonna do, Shelly? Since there's no water, Shelly's getting Pedialyte because this is $4.98. Let's get two. Get two of those. 2 different flavors though. I don't know. Yeah, but it's I see some
Bubblegum seems nasty.
what do you think?
Let's go to the snack section. The snacks.
We'll get strawberry. Strawberry, okay.
You really buying her.
Yeah, girl. Everybody needs snack stuff and shit. What are you talking about? So we're finally leaving Walmart. We only got a few things. There's no water. There's no bread. There's no bagel.
Nothing.
There's nothing. Any necessities is not at Walmart. We're not pepper cart. Okay. Any necessities is not at Walmart. I'm hot. We're sweating.
Ready.
And we're about to go to $5 and below to see if we get a portable charger. I'm very scared. Like it's like right now it's just like so calm. Like the calm before the storm. It's worrisome, man. Very, very worrisome. Shelly, that's why the car keep going right.
I'm pushing it though.
You ain't pushing nothing. So you're not gonna help Shelly? Oh, I'm gonna leave your shit right in the cart. Shelly said she ain't getting nothing, we're gonna leave it right in the cart. Hold on, boxes right now. Hold on. My car dirty.
Where are the noodles?
What noodles? Nah, I shouldn't leave this right here, right?
Yeah, let's go.
I don't know where to put this.
Leave it right there, Marcia.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, I never finished my story about.
Okay, go ahead. Shelly's gonna tell you why you have not seen her.
Marcia,
so go ahead.
Stop talking to me over something.
I did not stop talking to Shelly.
Yes, Marcia, I never was like stop talking.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, I said that. Marcia,
I think
that
you're
not.
crazy.
Remember
Why yelling at me?
Remember when you was trying to do the dead prank?
Whatever, huh?
The dead prank or whatever, and then when we stopped talking.
Plus, he's a fucking stupido.
He's on the phone. That's how it all happened. I ain't talked to you ever since then.
Shelly a liar.
Marcia,
I went in Shelly's room.
when I asked
Don't
you,
touch me. Let me tell you what you. Let me tell you what you did, Shelly. You're like, can you stop talking to me right now? Oh, okay. That's it. That's what you said.
The last thing.
That's what you said.
Was, forget it. I don't need you.
That's
the
not what
last
you
time
said.
we talked.
Shelly, that's not what you said.
You never came in my room talking about.
Yes, I did, Shelly. Oh my God, you're a liar. Anyways, let's stop talking about it because you're not gonna admit to the truth.
I don't remember that happening.
Exactly. If you don't remember, it doesn't mean it didn't happen.
If I don't remember, it did not happen.
Okay, Shelly. I respect what you're saying.
Because in my mind, the last time I spoke,
you said
when you was trying to do the prank.
So guys, we still haven't found gas, so we're heading home. We're gonna have to take Shelly's car because
no, I need to eat. I'm hungry.
Anyway.
A bitch can't eat? Wow.
This thing is cute.
Let's go. Let's go.
I don't know who should be talking to. So we're gonna take Shelly's car because my car got no gas.
My car got no AC.
Oh hell nah, Shelly car ain't got no AC. Don't play on me. Yo, listen, would you ride in a car that's about to stop because of no gas? Or would you ride in a hot ass car with no AC, burning up, sweating bullets? Oh my God. I have no choice here. She pulling out the windows. Look at Shelly. Pulling down the windows. And it's so hot in her car. Hello? You could have put all the window all the way down. You're gonna kill me.
music to help you. It's refreshing.
A scrub is
Oh, you can't use music.
right. Look at it. They covered their house. They covered their house. A lot of people are boarding up their houses at this time. Be careful. I'm gonna show you. Everyone is boarding up their house. This storm. What's that?
I don't know.
Everyone's boarding up the house. This storm is supposed to be worse than Andrew. So guys, so Shelly and I just got home and we're freaking exhausted. We're starved. So we're about to just put the groceries up and then we're just gonna call it a day. I'm exhausted and I need to go work out. We might actually go to the movies before the storm hits us, so.
Well, ain't no movies out.
What do you mean no movies are out? Clown.
That comes out Thursday.
It.
Not clown.
I'm just giving y'all the wrong information, so we're gonna go to the movies. My mom's calling me probably. Angie's calling me. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, got your gas?
No.
No?
No, I did not get any gas.
What the hell?
I went to Six Flags like you told me to, and the lines were crazy. And like it was either
You went to 7-Eleven or you went to
all the ones from by like your block, like your street down to like 160 something. Like it's either there was no gas or the lines were like all the way in the street. Like
oh shit, you know.
I know. So I'm gonna try back like early in the morning, like 3, 4 in the morning. But no, I don't have no gas.
I'll save you a gallon.
What?
I'll save you a gallon.
You gonna save me a gallon of gas? You're so sweet. You're so sweet.
A gallon, I don't know how far it takes, but it'll take you far.
You said, what you just said? Right there. She eating all her hurricane snacks already. These are supposed to be hurricane snacks. Why are you eating it?
Because I want it now.
Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and end the video right here, guys.